Hi guys, today we learn about how to solve if Google admin app is not working, not opening on your Android phone. So let's start. First of all, open settings. Now click more settings, app manager. In some mobile there is a folder name apps on settings. So after clicks on apps you can reach this page. Now find Google admin, click permissions, allow all the permissions. After that you open again Google admin app and check it is working or not. If still it is not working, then you click storage, click clear cache and clear data. Now after that you need to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, Google admin app is working properly or smoothly on your mobile phone, on your Android. So this is how you can solve your problem if Google admin app is not working properly on your phone. Thanks for watching.